Do you remember having a phone in school? I obviously had a phone in school, yeah. But I can't even remember like the intricacies around it.
Because hardly everyone had one. It wasn't a thing.
And you could do fuck all on it apart from send a text to 160 characters letters. Like.
Yeah, but Aaron, there was nobody was going online, going onto Instagram.
Yeah, I know.
There was no
Internet
socials.
was WAP.
Yeah.
WAP, innit?
Internet was WAP.
It's true. Yeah, you watch on WAP.
Bluetooth in pictures.
Yeah, you mad. What the hell?
2024, WAP has a whole different meaning, you know what I'm saying?
You can't say WAP though,
Facts. Hey, Carlos, man, chill out, bro.
Behave yourself.
Sorry.
I know Cardi B.
Man don't say nothing no episode and it's just WAP. Jesus Christ, bro.
Man got here on a child-friendly podcast talking about WAP on your phone,
WAP, you know.
WAP on his phone.
But everyone knew what I was talking about.
Nah, no idea, bro. Wireless access protocol.